TKW744 is a practical and versatile waterproof bag useful for the transport of your luggage in case of rain. Installation of this accessory is easy and intuitive. First of all, position the bag horizontally on the upper part of the saddle. After that, make the couple of elastic tie rods pass through fabric loops which are located on rear of the waterproof bag. This way you will obtain two belts parallel and perpendicular to your bag. At this point, you only have to lock the ends of the two belts to your motorcycle frame, paying attention not to interfere with your driving position. Then, check that the tension of the tie rods is sufficient to maintain bag steadiness whilst moving. So, the final check and have a good trip.